Good morning, Spectrum High School students. Mr. Leland coming to you. It's about 11:30, so I'm going to go fast because I'm late getting this video out to you and my announcement out to you, which I apologize for. Hopefully all you guys had a great weekend and were able to enjoy the beautiful weather, which leads me into my reminder of continuing to take your breaks, get away from your devices, get outside and enjoy the fresh air. Although today may not be the best day to do that, it is raining outside. Nonetheless, the fresh air is good for all of us. Keep communicating with us. You guys are doing a fantastic job in relation to that. I know your teachers are missing you guys. Take them up when they are offering Zoom meetings and Google Hangouts. Take them up on those offers and those opportunities. It's good for all of us to see each other from time to time. This is the best that we can do right now. We call this face-to-face, and it is just that, but it's the best that we can do, and we hope to make it as authentic as possible, and we are here to support you. So please take us up on those offers for Zoom meetings and Google Hangouts. I want to thank everyone for participating in our social media campaigns that have taken place thus far. I would encourage more participation in relation to that as we move forward. Those social media campaigns will continue. Just a reminder about our 3 Good Things activity. Hopefully you guys are continuing to follow through at night, writing down 3 good things that happen to you each and every day. It's a great way to kind of reset our focus on the positive things that are happening in our lives. I will include a URL in the email that this particular announcement and video will be coming to you in. So in case you need a reminder, there it is for you. One new announcement this morning is that we do have a summer PE course that will be offered this coming summer. It will be taught by Mr. Fransos. It'll take place, it'll start on June 1st and it will run through July 30th. There will be more information coming to you in relation to that, the delivery of that particular class and some other details. So keep your eyes open for that. Also, there will be in that communication that comes to you information on how to register for that course. All right, my typical reminders. Don't forget to take breaks. As I mentioned before, I know I already mentioned that one, but it's a really important one. Take your breaks. Make sure that you are aware of your environment at home, your learning environment, making it as conducive as possible. And don't forget about your attendance elements and following through with those. Finally, obviously it is Tuesday today. Yesterday, teachers did not have office hours as they were in a professional development day, working through some other things. They should be available to you today, tomorrow, and Thursday. Friday and the following Monday will be similar to what we did yesterday. So teachers will not be required to have office hours and therefore may not be immediately available for response. These are state-ordered staff development days that we have. However, all of your class materials will be available to you for next week on Monday morning as they were yesterday, so you can get started on all of your materials and tasks and assignments for the week starting on Monday. And Friday, again, is an optional day for you to continue that work. All of your materials and things should be turned in by 3 p.m. on Friday, as far as the attendance elements go and any assignments due during the course of the week, of course. But just want to make you aware of that Friday is not a mandatory day, neither is Monday, but you are able to work on your school materials if you so choose. All right, other than that, we miss you guys. We hope you have a great rest of the week this week and continue to communicate with us. We're here for you. Take care.